Hello. Welcome. Oh, welcome. We're here now. We did it. Okay. Oh, I've been going for on for oof. Well, now it's actually begun. So, let's do this. Wait. No. Let's just go. Let's do this. All right. I don't even remember what I last did. Oh yeah. Okay. Still not. No, I'm still not ready. What the heck? Okay. Hmm. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Now I'm all ready. Let's do this. All right. All right. Hello. How's everybody doing today? I'm doing mighty quite dolly. Alright. Let's take a look-sees at this. There might be some stuff that I don't want to show, but it's fine, whatever. Alright, what was I doing before this? I totally forgot. Oh, right, yeah. Hold on. Okay. Taking some stops to do stuff. Why am I not being... weird. Okay. Now let's do this. So, as I did before. I think I was placing this down. Can you even see this? Hold on. Run the game, see if you can see it. Really want to know if you can see it. Takes a bit to load, which is weird. Kind of concerning, too. But it's probably fine. It's probably fine. It's probably okay, maybe. Oh, that's... My cursor's trapped now. In the game. But you cannot see it now. But if I... Okay. That is the song of the game, by the way. That's what's happening. That's what you're hearing right now. I'm gonna turn that off. That's something I made. Aren't I just so good at music? Alright. Okay, I'm gonna add another window here. Okay, I'm gonna shrink this. This goes in the middle. Alright, so you can see the game. That's what the game looks like so far. This is it. I mean, obviously it's not nothing right now. Or it's not anything right now. It's just a bunch of debug text, but for right now, this is all it looks like. That's not right. That's also not right. There's a bit of a problem. Okay. What is this problem? Oh, no. Now it does that. End of the time must match. There we go. Now it's forced to do it. There we go. Okay. Let's get this show on the road. So wait, what did I have changed in this one? Okay, what's happening with this? What's going on here? Um, oh, hold on one second. There was 600. What happened? Get children has spotlight. Into typed array, which is not inherent from dog. Oh, great. Um, okay. Now let's actually do it. Alright, let's get back into it. Sorry, just had to do that real quick. Now you have something. Now we have something to keep all of you, like TikTok kids, entertained. I'll entertain myself with this. Get children has. Okay, so there's a problem with that, is there? I shouldn't type or revalidate. There's a weird thing with the music. Don't worry about that. Okay. Typed array does not inherit from node, but it isn't inheriting from what? Has. Hold on. If get children, right? Attempt to use has an object. Attempted to use has an object of type native, right? To typed array, which is not inherit from node. All right. Wait. I saved this before. This was fine. What happened to the... Oh no. There's like a weird thing happening. Hold on. Because I made some things. That's weird. I had like a whole thing. What happened? What happened to it? Okay, whatever. How much did it change? Because I really hope it didn't change too much. Because I made some progress doing stuff. Because I had some things saved and then now it's not saved anymore. And I don't know who to believe. Okay. I don't know why it's like this. Why is it like this? Why are you like this now? Wait, what? Hold on. That's different. Oh, did I open up the wrong? I think I opened up the wrong thing. Whoops. It's fine. I'll just reopen it. Wide Godot. Oh, yeah, I did. Unfavorite that, and I want this one. This one is the one I want. I did open up the wrong file. It's a good song. Yay, we're back in it. All right. Yeah, there it is. There's my stuff. This is what I wanted. So now if I run it, you should also be able to see it as well. Okay. Man, my favorite part, waiting for the game to load. Can you see it? Yes, you can. I'm looking back at the stream and you can see it. And now it's good. Can I place it down? Or I cannot place it down. So that's what I was working on. This whole thing, it was here. It was fine. But I got it now. It's all good. It's all good. Everything's a-okay. And there's not going to be any problems whatsoever. I want to point out something. This... So, see how this is like all decorated and stuff, and then this is debug text? I had a weird thing I had a weird thing that I thought was a good idea, which was to make the place look good, and then make it playable, and then I was wondering why I hadn't made any progress yet. But now that I'm focusing on making it, doing the bare minimum of just this and having just a bunch of debug text everywhere, now it feels like I'm making a ton of progress. All right, ladder, what's up? All right, right there, held position. Sure. Um. There goes. Off. Place rotation. I'll focus on that in a second. But for right now, I'm just gonna... Yeah. I'm glad I learned the shortcut to how to comment things. Because it was so tedious just commenting everything. But again, I found a shortcut for it, so now it's better. Okay. Okay, set there. If where to place equals null, which it isn't. Where to place is right here, or ladder place. And then, where's this one? Is this the one that's, is this the wrong one? No, it is that one. If where to place is picked up equals true, which is right. Picked up equals true. Ace picked up equals true, and what player looking at is where to place, which would that be? Await indirect button pressed. So, is that being called ever? Because I have this thing. Input event action. I'm gonna break that. No, wait, no, wrong one. That one. I want this one. Alright. Nothing's happening when I press the interact button, so that means that there's something wrong here, because It's checking and it sees that it's not interact, so I don't know what. Right. Is this even true at all? Hold on. Because it's an input event, not input event action. So it'll never be an input event action. I think, right? I shouldn't have closed that out. Why did I close that out? I could have just stayed on it. Because it's the global thing, so it could be accessed on anything. I don't know why I closed it out. Where is it? Here it is. Sometimes it just doesn't. No, it's never called at all. Okay. If here. If event dot is action pressed interact globals dot interact button pressed emit. There we go. Let's try this one on for size. Man, it gets dark out real fast. Woo! Neato song. Oh, I didn't break it. All right. Nice. All right. There we go. I fixed it. I got it. I fixed it. No, resume it, please, because I want to try out something. No. I pressed the play game instead of the pause, the resume button. Press the wrong button. That's fine, because then you guys get to see what it looks like so far. I mean, obviously you don't spawn here. There's like a place back there, but I just made it so you spawn here. And this is a bit weird, because I changed the way the holding objects work. But I'm going to fix that in a bit. This I like, because I made a loading screen that you like can walk around in. I mean, the game literally, you saw those percentages go up. The game did load. So it's like, it did load while like you were in the, while we're in the elevator. So it's kind of cool. You could see the, that's fine. All right. Yes. Yes. It worked. No, it's over here. Is it still over here? No, it's not. Okay. So now, we would go back to here. Uncomment this. Okay. So dot scale equals placed scale. Rotation set there. Now let's see how this pans out, because it needs to, yeah. it gets set to the global position here, and then to the center of this piece right here, of like this cube here, and then is set to it's set, yeah, so it's set to the middle here, and then where did I put it? At some point, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's okay. At some point, I put down like a thing where it would move, like it would take the AABB of the model. But you know, honestly, I like this solution better because then it could be more than just that. So it's not. So it sets global position to the center here, but because of global position, this position still remains 0, 0. So then it adds more. So then now you can like. So now I can like make it 1. So then it'd be 1 up higher than in the center there, but it's still it. Right. Let's test her out. Is this Mirror B's fight or what are the other one? I don't know. I've never I don't really play Pokemon. All right. So if this works right, then it where did it go? Where'd it go? Oh, it's right. So that's not how it should be. Because it sets the global position to there, but then because the global position is set there, but it shouldn't set that position unless it does, and I'm just stupid. Because it was placed at the okay transform. This is set to 0, 0, but then this is set to this position. However, it should set the globe. Oh, okay, global position should be set to place position. Ooh, I like this. This is a jazzy song. Okay. Place position. Why is it not doing that? It should be placed over to. Huh. Okay. Oh, for you, it's really thin. I didn't realize that, but yeah, it's real thin. Trust me, it doesn't look this way to me, but you know. This is what it looks like to me. Hold on. Wait. That's what it looks like to me, but I wanted to make it so that you guys could see better. I don't know. It's kind of hard to see, like, everything. But it was real squished. I kind of like it like the other way. I know it's squished, but like, I don't care. But just know that this is not what it looks like. I could resize the window, but I don't feel like doing that. I like big some workspace to work with. Work with. Okay. Why is it not freaking the global position set here? Global position sets there, right? But then it, okay. I don't know why it does that. Why are you doing that? Huh? Why are you doing that? Huh? Why are you doing that? Why are you doing that? Die doing that. Okay, I don't know what is happening. It would just be the position too, because it's just global position, but I don't know why global position just isn't doing anything. Okay. I'll transform, place position. Why isn't global? Why am I stupid? That's how it works. Global position. I can set the global position to there, and then the position I can set to. Am I just really dumb? Ooh, I like this. Yeah, because if I go over here, look now it's over there. Why is it there? What's going on? Okay. Hold on, wait. Addition dot. Is there like relative? It's weird. Um, okay, wait. What if I swap it? Okay. No, wait, no. I'm actually not mad. I'm just chilling. Might get a snack. I don't know. Nope. Did it move? maybe? Okay. Right. I mean, I can easily just set global position to be that plus place position. But, like, I don't know. I could just do that. And that is a very simple solution. But also, it doesn't look as cool. I don't know. All right. No, stop. It's out of habit because I keep because for a while I was just like testing out the whole thing from the first floor, but now I don't have to do that anymore because I basically finished that part. Ooh. This sounds like Mario Kart. Yes! Yes! But it's super small. It's in the floor, but it worked. Do. Oh yeah, because it's halfway up. Well, then I can just... Okay. Then... Alright, and then I've set placed rotation. Here, this one, I think. I set this to 90 degrees. Then this to... How tall is this? I need to see how tall this is. What is this? 1.98. I'm gonna make that a nice even. I can't make it a nice even. Right here. Make that a nice even. Whoa. Right. Hold on. What am I looking at? How did... Okay, that was weird. What was I looking at that had 1.98? Oh, yeah, no, it is there. What? Make that nice even 2. Right there. Nice even 2. Yeah, and then back to lobby. Actually, over here. Place position is going to be... Where's place position? There it is. Place position is 1, because it's half of it. Because it's half of it, so it only goes halfway up instead of being the whole way. Because the origin of the thing is right in the center. That's set there. And the rest of it's fine. I did it again. I did the thing again. I might put up a counter for how many times I accidentally click the run project instead of just run current scene. In my wake of not making basic mechanics, I don't know about you, but this looks kind of wrong to me. I don't know I don't know why, but it feels like that's incorrect. Wow, you go down slope. I go down slope fast. Slopes fast. Wow. All right. But in my wake of making things look good, I made a really cool and very functional like NPC dialogue thing that I'm very proud of. It's very complicated. Well, It doesn't look that complicated until you, like, mess around with it, but it is kind of complicated. Why didn't that work? Is it double? Because it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be double. It should be not double at all. Because if it's 2 in height, then it should only... Okay, whatever. I don't care. Actually, I kind of do care. That's why I'm changing it now. Also, it was not fully rotated when I set it to 90. So, that means that rotation, it should be set to rotation degrees. Global rotation degrees? How would that even work? I don't care. I do. I mean, I probably should. I think I've messed around with that before. I mean, I know how Godot works. Where are you, game? Why aren't you loading? Why are you taking so long to load? I did that by accident. Hello. Where are you? There you are. Alright. Right here. Yes. What? 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 Why? 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 What's going on? Are you alright at home? Free up storage space. What's wrong? I have enough storage space. Leave me alone. Oh, wait. I'm gonna run out of storage space and then the stream's gonna end. Is this Wii? Wait, this sounds like something from like Wii Play or something. I recognize that. Do, 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 do. But like this piano. It sounds like a Wii game. Anyway, why was it on? Was it perfectly on the floor already? It shouldn't have been. Set it to 0. And also, it looked like it got smaller. Yeah, this is great. Yeah, this is riveting content. No, this is riveting. No, this is great. No, I'm having a good time. I am actually. This is good. I'm looking for something. I'm not gonna test out the game yet because I'm working on something. Hold on. Where are you? Oh yeah. What? How big is it? It says remember the storage space thing. How big is that? 1.4 megabytes. Hmm. I know there's a way to like. Oh, okay, I'm gonna test this out while I was doing that. Is that on the ground? Can I clip in my own? Can I clip into the wall? Is it on the ground? I can't tell. I can't tell if it's on the ground. Never know, I don't care. Right. Right. Oh. I got an error. Error during Vorbis synthesis. I don't know what that means. I know what Vorbis is. It's the like audio file. It's like ODG Vorbis is what I'm using for most of my audio files because there's a lot of control with them. MP3 actually is not as good as OGG. As OGG. It's just not as good. Ooh. Nice. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I misclicked. I did the wrong thing. What is this? I like this song. It's good. Yeah. How do I, yeah. Why is it? Okay. Because this is global position plus 0, because this is 0. Place position is set to 0, so I don't know. I don't know. I recognize this song. And I don't know why. This reminds me. This reminds me of. This reminds me of like Donkey Kong. I keep getting sidetracked. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get like a snack or something. Alright, I'm back. Alright. Where, Oh, it's not fully scaled onto the thing. I don't honestly care. I really don't care, honestly. There, is that better? Is that better for you? Is that better for you? Is that better for you? No, because it's the There. Boom. Done. Easy. Now it's scaled correctly, so now you guys can watch. Why is it placed? Why is place position that? Why is it place position? Why? I have, some food, so you might hear some crumbling. And me crunching. Okay. So, why in the cinnamon toast? Good thing my mic blocks out kind of the sound. Alright, so in here it says that there's a pickup object, or yeah, picked up and there's placed down. I don't know, man. I don't know. What's wrong? What is wrong? What is up with this friggin' thing? So placed object right there. It should be set to that. Okay, so if I place down, okay, I'm just gonna set like a cube down on like the almost the bottom of it and then see if that does anything. Because I'm looking at this and I don't know. It's a learning experience for everybody. We're learning. You guys like to learn? I like learning. Learning is fun. Yay. Just, alright. Now I'm gonna check it again. And wait for the game to load for like the 18th billionth time. So how y'all doing? How's your day been? Those on Twitch, and I am also on YouTube, and those on YouTube, I am also on Twitch. Just so you know. Alright, there's the cube. I pick that up. Paste that right there. So it's in the floor. It is in the floor. But then if... but then if I set it... So... Alright. But then if I set it to, 1, then it's gonna be... I set it to 2.5 as well. 0.25, so... I got no clue, my guy. Got no idea. What the heck is happening? Ba-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba-da. The... Yeah. I set the Y. What if I do 0.1? What happened? What will happen? Who knows? Maybe it'll still fail. Let's bet on it. Bet if the game works properly. I bet it might not. It's probably my shitty code. Nope. But now it's not floating off the ground anymore. Which is a sign. It's a sign of something. Alright. Give me the thing. Why are you like hesitating? Give me the thing. Okay, now it's just not doing anything. Set it to 0.5 again. Because it's now plus position, so... I mean, it was already plus position, but... Before, when I placed it down, it was 1, which is half the height of the triangle. It, like, floated off the ground. Ah. Things are weird in the world of Godot. Yep, it's floating. No, is it? It's, like, barely floating off the ground. So, whatever... If I set it to 1, it's gonna... Okay. So what you got here? is what's known as, oh my gosh, I want to kill myself territory. Because, oh my gosh, do I want to kill myself? No, actually, I'm fine. It's just, why? This is set to 0.5. I've heard this song too. This is cool. Mm-hmm. And this is all just really simple stuff. Like, this is a fake ladder for what's gonna go in. Add UV to... See, this is right in the middle. I'm pretty sure. Unless it's not. But it looks pretty in the middle to me. Unless I am absolutely barbaric. Wait. Why does it sound like two things are playing at once? Like the drums of this song? Hmm. Hey, my computer keeps flashing for some reason. It'd be really funny if my power went out. It's not storming or anything. It would just be really funny if the power just suddenly went out. It's like, I'm so focused right now. I'm in focus mode, and then, boom, power out. Like, right when you're about to save, too. That'd be awful. I would hate that so much. I would hate that so much. Like, actually, it would be awful. I'm getting so many of these. I'm pretty sure I can, like, make it not an error, but I don't know. I'm good for right now. I think it's during the loading, it, like, shows each one, so it happens. Okay. This goes here. No. This said here. It doesn't, is it symmetrical here? Where is it? Whoa, what is this song? Is this Crazy Frog? Like weird Crazy Frog? This sounds like, this is Sonic, like music. This sounds like some kind of Sonic thing. Sonic song. Like old, like Sonic for, like 2D Sonic. It sounds like Sonic Mania. Yeah. Excuse me. Use AABB center. What happens if I turn that off? Does that do anything? Doesn't seem to. Is it centered? I don't know. Yeah, it is. Look at that. No, it is centered. Why then? Ooh, okay. Oh, I know why. I know why. No, I know why. I think I know why. It's nothing to do with the ladder. It's to do with you. You're the culprit. I mean, you're on the ground though, so I don't know. Oh. Wait, no, look at that. See that? Right there. It says it says 1.505. So it is not on the ground. It is not there. You lied to me. When I clicked page down, I expected you to go down. Oh. I expected you to go down. But I got it now, okay. So 1.5. There you go. Now it's fine. So now if we actually run it, then it should be okay. It should be fine. Because this was not on the ground. But now it is, so now it's gonna be all fine, dandy. It's gonna be all fine and fine. Nice. So now, place this down. It is floating. Huh? If I get rid of that, then maybe it'll be fine. Because I saw that it like separated, so. Now what'll happen? Now what happens? Got no clue to what's going on. What is even happening? Why is it like this? Should be set to that. But okay, set to that, but then so where to place is this. The center of this is there. Well, that's definitely Sonic, because that's a Sonic sound effect. Right there. So is that? Alright, it places it there, global position. Let's just do that. I might run it not in the thing. I might not deploy with. I might not deploy with the remote debug so I can see what's going on. Yeah. So do not deploy with the remote debug. Hold on, wait, that's not it. Who is that? Oh, Obscure X and Cold Fear. Thank you. Thanks for doing that. That's great. Hope you're enjoying. Just here making something I've been working on for a while. So global position is set here. I like this song. This is a cool song. I like this song. Do 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 do. So it's set global position here to set to here, but then it's like, okay, so it pops out. I don't know, man. Things are just weird. I do like the song though. A good sounding song. But who was it again? Obscure Zenus Cold Fear. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. Appreciate your contributions. Welcome to here now. Why don't you can stay here for a while. Tell your friends. I don't know. Tell them something. Again, I'm not going to tell you what to tell them. You should talk to your friends, though. You haven't seen them in a long time. Anyway, I am currently trying to fix something. Okay, so center here. It's set here to be. Oh no, it's not in the thing. Oh, because I'm not accounting for the floor. It's the center of that, but it would be, in order for it to make sense, it would be that this would be in the middle here of the floor. I found the number. It's 2. But it said here too that so it's relative here. I don't know. It's set right there, so it should be fine. If it's set, there's 0.5, but then I put this to 0.5, and then it doesn't do anything. Global position is that, and then plus self.place position. What if I do that? Self.place position. What happens now? Let's see. Moment of probably not truth. That's probably moment of probably not truth, but whatever. At least we have a number. Our aim is to get y to 2. And it still takes 50 years to even load up anything. Why? Why? What? So, the global position of that should be the same as its normal position, because this is 0, 0. The only thing under that is this. This should be the exact same thing as global position. But what if I just set that and this and then do that plus? What'll happen? I don't know. I've worked in Godot. I've done so much, yet I can't make a something simple as placing an object on the floor. No, I did it again. Do do do. I don't know this song. Oh, I moved my mic. Wait. Why? Why? Seriously, actually, why? There's no reason. There's no... Place position is 0.5. And the position of this, the y of it, is 1.5. And the place position y is also is 0.5. From what I know, 0.5 plus 1.5 is 2, which is where we're aiming towards. But somehow, it's not. Ooh, this is a cool song. Alright, that's it on the ground. And shouldn't, it should not place it on the floor. I don't know. I don't know what's up with anything. And also, I don't know what's up. What's down? What are directions? What directions? I don't know. I'm just here for a good time. So far, I'm not having one. To be placed down, to be placed position, which is where to place, which is this. This one is 0.5. This is 0. This is 0. 0.5. Okay. I'm just gonna do Y. I'm just gonna do the Y. That's it. Comment that. Self dot position equals where to place dot position, and then self dot position plus equals where plus equals dot y plus equals self dot placed position dot y. Let's see how this fares. Let's see how this well fares. Let's see how many fairs I have to go to. How many fairs I have to pay. Boom 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 boom. I don't know what this song. I'm fine. I'm not dying. You're dying. Hmm. Hmm. I guess that's why. Because it doesn't have a, oh no, it's global position, not global's position. Restart. Repeat. Yeah. What is that? You know, I don't recognize most of these songs. So you see the problem here is I want to die. Seriously, why is this happening? I must know. What secrets? All right, what if I add some like interactive thing? I'm gonna add a variable here. Here's how we're gonna handle this right now. Int interact area 3D equals area 3D. That's gonna be an area 3D. So now this is where you place. Nope. This is where that goes. And then. I find all the where to place. Where's where to place? Where to place? Match case. No, not match case. Case? Yeah, fun with case. Where is it? Was it? Was it again? Interact area. Interaction area. I'm gonna name it that. Interaction area. Except for that one. Replace all except for that first one. Replace that one, that one, that one, and that one. But not that first one. Ah. Ah. Actually, no. I want to... Node 3D. That goes there. And then where to place is node 3D. That is the node 3D. This is going to be placed. Where's this at? Copy here. You are moving there. There's value. Except you go, no. You go down right to the middle there. That's not right. That's not right at all. So you there now. You're there now. So you're right on the floor is where you are. You're like just on the floor. Yeah, you're in the floor. You're in the floor now. So here, and then place that there. Place that. No. No. Where the place is here. And then... There we go. Ooh, I like this. I like the fact that the music fades in and out. That's kind of cool. Ooh. This is very like Mario Party like. This sounds like Mario Party. I don't know. I don't have like the list of songs pulled up. I could go look, but I'm too lazy to. Plus I'm busy. Don't stop pushing me. Alright, let's see what this does. I didn't mean to do that. I want to make it so that interaction area is now where to place. Where to place is this. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh cool. Alright. Let's all flow here. All flow. All nice, relaxing, and calm. Nobody said this would be easy. Nobody said this would be easy. The people who did are wrong. Huh? Okay, so I want to point out something here. This got placed down in what I had originally, right? Right. I had originally had it. It was ladder place here. Ladder place is right here. Meanwhile, oh wait, no, it's because I have this. All right, wait, no, but what if what if I said that? Let's reset. It's a lot of just going in, testing the game, getting out, loading in, back in, testing the game. It doesn't work. This is what's known as troubleshooting, where you shoot people who are in trouble. Is it in the floor? Is it in the floor or on the floor? It's in the floor. It's also not... But, wait. But it does add here. So wait. If I plus, and then self.position, place position, and then make the place position 1. Will it work? Let's test it out. Let's see if just changing it was better. Probably should have done from the start. Why? Why is it why? Why is it doing that? That makes absolutely no sense. That literally makes absolutely no sense. Why? Why? Oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna test this out here, right here, right here, right now, right here. You are going right here. Copy value. You are going there. Now, you go plus 1. 90. 0. See, that's not floating. See, look at that. It's not floating. Why? Ugh. It's so weird. Why is it doing that? Oh. Oh, I know why. I know why. I know why. I know why. Because this change. See, this changes. This changes the size of the object so it can be smaller. But okay. Wait, but then I've placed scale here, which changes the scale back to what it should be, the normal size. It changes it back to the scale of it. Because I have the scale here, and it gets scaled down to this. Right, yeah, but then it comes back up, this here, and then this gets scaled. So, what? But then it was like that when it was scaling. What? Hello? I can't do anything.